days, we often see many alarms and sensors around us, which alerts us whenever various things happen, so someone can take the right action. One such alarm is a fire alarm. It alerts us when a fire breaks out. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing great. So today, let's make a fire alarm together. And I will also explain how basic fire alarm works. So let's get to know our parts. This is a flame sensor which senses the fire. This is the battery and its battery cap. These are 3 clips, and this is a buzzer which buzzes when the flame sensor senses the fire. The flame sensor has 3 pins: VCC, ground and output. The VCC and ground pins are used to send the power to the flame sensor so that it can sense. I will connect the VCC pin to the positive wire of the battery and the ground pin to the negative wire of the battery. When the flame sensor senses the fire and receives the power, it sends the signal through the output pin, which the buzzer receives and hence buzzes. So this is how the flame sensor works. Now let's start building. So first I'll take the VCC pin and connect it to the positive wire of the battery and also the positive wire of the buzzer. Now I'm going to connect the ground pin to the negative wire of the battery only. And at last I am going to connect the output pin to the negative wire of the buzzer. And now our setup is complete. I will now connect the battery cap with the battery. And it powers on the sensor and the buzzer. So here I have put the entire setup within this container to see the alarm in action. And as you can see, I have also lit a candle which represents the flames. I'll take it near to the sensor, and when it reaches a certain distance, it starts buzzing. So I'll move away, the buzzer stops buzzing since the sensor cannot sense the fire. I take it near again. The sensor senses the fire and sends a signal through to the buzzer and it buzzes. And that's how a fire alarm works. So I hope you liked my fire alarm project and also understood how it works. And now it is time for a fun quiz. So tell me, who invented the world's first fire alarm? Please do type the correct answer in the comment sections below. The first person to tell the correct answer will be given a heart, and also his or her name will be announced in the next video. So I hope you liked today's video. Stay tuned for many more such fun videos. So thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.